Hey everyone, it's Cash. Okay, so I'm over here in the Skyline Ranch area in Saugus. This whole brand new area over here. We got the Toll Brothers houses and Party right over here. And then we've got the KBs that were existing over here already. And I just listed one on Lanfranca Drive. Beautiful house, about 3,000 square foot, 4-bedroom with a big open floor plan. Something you definitely want to see. And it's a short walk down Lanfranca Drive to the community pool over there too. So it's fantastic. I just wanted to give you a little glimpse of this area and all the new construction going on out here right now. There's a Montessori school right over here, guidepost. They've got a lot of new construction going on here right now. You've got Telly's over here, the infamous Telly's. We all know about Telly's if you live in Santa Clarita. Great food. We have dentists, we have cleaners, we have the sweat shack over there right next to Del Taco too. I mean, have your tacos and sweat it out right next door. And then of course I found Starbucks. You can't escape a Starbucks. They're everywhere, folks. So anyways, hope that helps a little bit out here. I'll be doing some more videos soon to fill you in on what's shaking out here in the Skyline Ranch area in Saugus and Plum Canyon. Okay, talk to you later.